Gravitational force acts on all objects in proportion to their masses. True. Why then a heavier object does not fall faster than a lighter object? Huh. What does that question mean? See, what the question is talking about is about the question. First, let me write about the question. The question is like this. We know that the force, gravitational force that is equal to G mm by d square. And one of these masses is mass of the earth and the other mass is mass of the object. So according to this, more the mass, more should be the force. Makes sense. But why is that the heavier object is not falling at the same, faster than the lighter one? It should have been the case, is it not? But when we derive things across, we got something else. And of course, we observed something else as well. The question now is, how can we explain this particular question? How do you approach such a question? Well, this is how. See guys, whenever you get any question that is related to a formula, we need to talk about that formula. So now my question to you guys is, what formula am I talking about? With what formula can we explain this particular scenario? The formula I'm talking about is acceleration due to gravity is given by G is equal to capital G m by d square, right? So in case of Earth, right, m would be mass of the Earth and d is distance between the Earth center and what else? Object center. Objects center. Right guys? So clearly this formula is telling that G is independent of, yes, mass of the object. Clearly G is independent, is it not? Is independent of mass of the object. An object. And so both heavier, so not both, and so any object will fall at the same rate. Any object will fall at the same rate. And this is your answer. That's it. Okay. So this is a 1 marker answer. From here till here is a 1 marker answer. If the same thing was asked for, say, 3 marker. So answer for 3 marker. So first thing you guys have to do is, first is prove that G is equal to whatever that is. And second thing is the statement. Okay. That is the above part of the answer, above answer. Okay guys. So this is a small variation. So proof of this G being equal to this, we have already done it. So that part has to be written first and then this part. Okay. So please understand that any conceptual questions, if you can write the formula, right, related to that, please do so and then explain whatever it is. This is the best way to approach and the simplest way to approach. If not, explaining entire thing as a theoretical in terms of framed answer is really difficult, right? Especially people who struggle with framing sentences or forming an justified wordy answer. It's not going to be easy because I am one of that. For me, writing the required formula, deriving it out, and writing a statement is way easier. Okay, so that's my trick. If you guys have your own strength, you can go with that. So please pause now and write down this particular answer.